Alright guys, this is Creative Impulse here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to put auto keys, like hotkeys, onto your Roblox, because Roblox is dumb and doesn't have that for whatever reason. I just started playing yesterday and it pissed me off so much that I had to figure it out. There's no good videos on YouTube that I could find, so we're going to go and show you guys how to do that. First off, you want to go to this website. I'll have a link in the description. Go to auto keys. You just want to download it. When you download it, you want to download the version not here, download version 1.1 because that's gonna work. This one didn't work for me. Close that out, and after you install it, you'll open it up. You'll be to this. You just want to go to a new script. You name it whatever you want to name it. So we'll just say hotkeys, Roblox hotkeys, and then you just want to hit create. This will come up. You want to click on here. I use Notepad++. You probably used to use Notepad, but then you'll have to copy. I already have it copied on here, so we'll just open this one up. Notepad++. All right, after you open this up, this is what you want to copy and paste. So you'll hit the open bracket to toggle it on, and when you hit the close bracket, it'll exit the app completely. So down here, not open anymore. If I was to say open it here, it is open. If I hit my open bracket, it closes it. This section here is your auto keys. Like, this is your hotkeys. The rest of it is just to get it to work. These are your keys. So if I hit G, in game it registers me as hitting J. If I hit 4, it registers me as hitting 2. The reason I do that is because 4 is the mouse scroll wheel on the mouse, so it makes it a lot easier for like combat. Mouse buttons, if you want mouse buttons, I got 1 and 2. 1, 2 here are also my mouse because I have 4 mouse buttons inside. My G is also my mouse. Actually, it's my sniper button to slow down. I have it programmed to G. All these are mine. These are what I recommend using if you have a mouse and you like that. I tried shift for dash and Q for something else, but I couldn't get that to work properly. It was, even if I hit shift to dash, it would still do what the shift used to do. I don't know, it was weird. After you do that, you just want to close that out and double click on it to run, and then you'll come down here, make sure it's running. We could go to your game, Roblox, whatever. Hop in here and show you real quick. You just want to click your thing, go. Like, these are my normal keybinds, so if I want to switch to my weapon, my keybinds aren't working. I have to hit like default keybinds here, 1, 2, 3. Do my do my Z attack, hit Z. But if you hit the button that program, it was the close bracket. Now if I hit 2, it does that X. So if I hit X, doesn't do nothing. If I hit Z, I guess Z still works, so you can hit Z. Hold on. My keybinds are working, but it looks like you might have hit. Okay, so you can hit the previous keybinds and you can hit your new keybinds. Will both work for it. So if you can't remember it, I guess it'll still work. That's fine. That's how you do it. It makes it a lot easier. You want to end the keybinds, you hit the open bracket. Now my keybinds are back to default. My normal buttons don't work for it. My attacks aren't working. So that's it. It really shouldn't be that complicated. If that helped you guys out, leave a like and subscribe. Much appreciated. Bye.